As we were buying this, obviously we hit both of our targets, but we had this very big move up. So let's go from top to down on the daily chart, guys. We have a bullish breakout, and we've turned this resistance area into support. So that is a bullish indicator. On the 4H, guys, I would mark this recent low to see if we want to do a correction or not. The 1H as well, guys. As long as we are above 1.35870, guys, I am bullish. I would expect a correction to happen, guys. Of course, we've had this big move. We are losing momentum. We may get a correction. But the problem, guys, is we need confirmation, a structure break to actually get in the trade. Hence, guys, if you break below this, we will be going for $1.3557. This is my target for today. Would be my base target. So wishing you guys the best of luck. I would like a move down here. Go to a low time frame. Wait for price action to become bullish, then buy till this target. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this way, and see you guys tomorrow.